Welcome to Curve Nova 2. Today, we're celebrating the extraordinary journey of Marcy Morurell, Miami's 20-year-old curvaceous icon who's redefining beauty with confidence, charisma, and unapologetic self-love. With over 1.9 million Instagram followers, Marcy inspires a global audience by showcasing body positivity, championing curves, and embracing individuality. From sizzling collaborations with ASOS, Torrid, and Fashion Nova to sharing her favorite exercise routines, Marcy illustrates that power, style, and self-care go hand in hand. Standing at 58, with a striking 44-30-6-48 hourglass figure, her fitness-focused lifestyle keeps her strong and radiant at 72 kg. Marcy's presence disrupts conventional standards, revealing that genuineness and confidence are the best accessories. Every sleek street-style look, dazzling gown, and candid post makes a statement. Celebrate yourself, smash preconceptions, and step into the world as your bravest, most authentic self. Marcy Morurell isn't just a model, she's a movement, teaching a generation to embrace curves, confidence, and self-love.